So now we're going to go over how to attach the nitric oxide equipment in line with the oscillator. So we have our various pieces here, and at our facility we use the NoxBox. So for the oscillator we need the one-way valve, we need this adapter, we need this little elbow, and this elbow is actually in the 22 millimeter kit, so you'll have to get it from that kit because the 12 millimeter kit does not have this piece. And then we have our flow sensor here and also our sample line. So we're going to look at how to set it up. The oscillator will depressurize when you are attaching your flow sensor and everything over here to the humidifier. So up to you if you want to take the baby off and provide manual ventilation during that time, or just have everything prepared. It'll just be a few seconds that it'll be disconnected and you can repressurize. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put these parts together, and you want your green arrow of your flow sensor to be pointing down toward your humidifier. We're going to be placing it on the dry side of the humidifier. We're next going to attach our green adapter, and then we're going to attach our one-way valve because we're putting it on the oscillator. Now if we weren't putting it on the oscillator, we would not need that one-way valve. So here we're going to go ahead and quickly take it off. Now we've placed it on the dry side. We're resetting our oscillator, so it just takes a moment to do that. And so we see here it's a little tower on the dry side of our humidifier. We do need to make adjustments to our mean airway pressure because we've just added some additional parts. So we're going to adjust until we get back to the ordered mean airway pressure of 10. This is an example. And then the next thing we're going to do is place the sampling line in line with our oscillator. So according to the NoxBox recommendations, they recommend moving your temperature probe here to this particular port, and then moving our NoxBox sample line here close to the patient. So first we're going to attach our elbow piece to the sampling line. So here we're attaching it to the sampling line, and now we're going to quickly remove our heater wire, and if you do this fast it'll maintain its pressure. If you got two people you can actually do it without having to reset your mean airway pressure, but if it's one person, just switch it really quick and then repressurize. Alright, there we go. So that's how you put the NoxBox sampling line and flow sensor set up in line with the oscillator.